Hey there YouTube, I received a package in the mail, actually a couple of days ago, and decided I'd put this one on the net, on YouTube. So watched a couple of YouTube videos from this chap and a couple of other ones, which I'll explain in a minute. And so we'll open it up, have a look. I'm hoping there's some really good fishing lures in here. I certainly like my fishing. Another one of my hobbies, or more of an obsession than a hobby. My wife's starting to think that. We'll have a look at it. These lures, they're not released in Australia, but they're, you can only get them in New Zealand at the moment, commercially, like out of real estate retail stores. But Mate has certainly bound them up. Ew. All right. These lures are from Catch. It's Catch Fish Like a Pro. So these are called the Boss. And you can see that. And they apparently, if you have a look at a few of the YouTube clips, and I'll put them below, these are quite slow at dropping to the sea floor. So it's supposed to be pretty good. This is another one, just a different colour. It's not a bad colour. It's called the Green Reaper. That's a Boss. That's another Boss. Hey. And another one there. It's called the Orange Assassin. And that one there, the blue one's called Ballistic Blue. Anyway, actually bought a few. Yeah. A few different sizes there. So the Boss, they are 80 and 100 grams. There's Freestyle Kabura. Now those ones, apparently you can just let them sit on the back of the boat in the rod holder and bobble on, and when the fish aren't biting, this is what they go for. So they're 80 gram. This one here, 150. Another one there, different colour. And that one there, different colour again. Some more here, gee. These are micro jigs. They're all 20 gram, I believe. So again, Ballistic Blue, same names, Green Reaper. So this one, it's pink. It's called Shady Lady. And this one's the Red Ripper. So they're all 20 grams, so I'll be interested, I'll be trying these lighter ones in the Coorong. these ones here, coming out of his own tackle box. So yeah, we'll certainly be giving these a go. See if I can't get a hold of a few snapper on them. Another one that's just a jig. Squid wing. Wife and young fella's just got home, so I had to unlock the door for her. Just rehydrating after a hard day at work. There's a tenure jig head. And squid wing again. These are just replacement skirts that he's thrown in, so thanks very much for that, Marty. And some jig head assist hooks. And these are called the better butts. That's what these ones are here. Yeah. So, thanks very much for that, Marty. We'll certainly be giving them a try. They're supposed to be the bee's knees as far as lures go. So I guess proof will be in the pudding. We'll let the fish decide that. I think that's what catch say, so. Alright. Cheers, like, comment and subscribe.